Here's how to give access to your course inside of FlowChat. First, click Daily Flow, then Sub-Accounts. From there, click Add New Sub-Account. Type in the email that you wish to give access to. Then click Next Step. First name is required. Last name. Select the country and time zone, if you know it, of the person you are given access to, and then the rest is optional. If you don't want to add anything more, then click Next Step. And then here is where you will give access to your product/course. So if you wish to select multiple, you have the ability to do so. But for now, we're just going to give access to the test course. After you check it, then you're going to click Save Sub-Account. And now you have your new member, and it's been added to the course. If you need to edit it, then click the three dots. You can edit it, remove it, and then also, if need be, impersonate.